Hello friends, welcome to chemistry lecture. Today we will be beginning with the synthesis part. Now see, in synthesis you are going to study now 9 synthesis. So first one we will start with cetirizine, synthesis of cetirizine. Now see, first of all we should know why this drug is used. What is its use? Generally we use levocetirizine as an anti-allergic agent. So this is called as antihistaminic drug. Alright, cetirizine is antihistaminic drug and it is used in allergy, you can say, against allergy. Levocetirizine is used and see its combination with other drug like Montecalci is used. Montecalci is nothing but it is a combination of paracetamol and levocetirizine. Alright, so now we will begin with the synthesis of cetirizine. So starting compound for this is this is 4-chlorobenzhydryl chloride. Now it reacts with N-carbethoxypiperazine. This is your N-carbethoxypiperazine. Now see, in presence of Na2CO3, HCl will be removed. Now see, when heated in presence of HCl, try to understand the CO2 will be removed and there is the addition of, you can say, water. So OH will be added here and H will be added here. So it will be minus CO2 and minus CH3CH2OH, that is ethyl alcohol. So what we will get is it is this. Alright. Now after this we have to treat it with its name is methyl 2, 2 dash. Now see chloroethoxy acetate. So when we treat it with this, the Cl from here and H from here will go, and we will get the compound as this we will get. Now see, we have to carry out hydrolysis in presence of HCl and KOH. Alright, so CH3OH will be removed. Now see here, H and OH. So what we will get is cetirizine. So see here, this is your cetirizine. Now once again I am telling you, it is used as anti-allergic agent, or you can say it is used as antihistaminic drug. Generally levocetirizine is used as an anti-allergic agent. So see, in exam you can be asked the use of it. Synthesis cannot be asked, but you can be asked what is the starting compound and so on. This could be asked. Alright, because it would be MCQ type question. Had it been the paper, you would be directly asked synthesis of cetirizine or some other drug for 4 marks. Alright, so now we will begin with the next synthesis. The next synthesis is synthesis of fluoxetine. Now see, this fluoxetine is used as antidepressant agent, or antidepressant it is used. This antidepressant means it is used against depression, and it is known as SSRI. It is generally, you can say, serotonin reuptake inhibitor. It is used as that. Alright, now we will begin with the synthesis of fluoxetine. Now the starting compound is acetophenone. Now see, when this acetophenone is treated with HCHO, that is formaldehyde, and dimethylamine. The reaction taking place is Mannich reaction. And here removal of water molecule will take place. All right. Please try to understand. This double bond O will remain as it is. This CH3 will get converted to CH2. Then this HCHO, so HCH, once again CH2. All right. Then you have N, CH3 and CH3. Please try to understand. One H goes from here, other H goes from here, and O from here, so minus H2O. All right. Now we need to convert this double bond O to OH. So we will take diborane, then now this OH we have to replace by Cl. So we will use thionyl chloride. Now after this we have to use here Now we have to use CNBr and minus CH3. This is fluoxetine and it is used as anti-CNS depressant, or antidepressant means it is used against depression. So this was about today's lecture. Now in the next lecture we will see the other two syntheses.